I think this problem is really fun. You will want your reference sheet unless you know this information off the top of your head. So they give you the conversions on the top, and you've got conversions for inches, miles, pounds, kilograms, etc. So this talks about adults and pints of water. So they should have up to a minimum of 4 pints of water per day. So we're going to start with 4 pints of water per day. So the way I'm going to write this is 4 pints per 1 day. And I'm going to use dimensional analysis and say that I know a pint has 2 cups. And they're asking the minimum amount of water an adult should drink in fluid ounces. So I know my goal is to get 2 ounces by the end, and they want to know per week. So I want ounces per week. And right now I have pints per day. So I know that a pint has 2 cups. So I'm going to say, okay, there's 2 cups in 1 pint. And use what I know about fractions to say that those pints can cancel out. So right now, if I were to stop, I would have cups on top and days on the bottom. Well, I want to get 2 ounces on top. So I know that there's 8 ounces in 1 cup. So I'm going to say, okay, so there's 8 ounces in 1 cup. So those cups will cancel out. So right now I have ounces on top and days left, but they want ounces per week. So I'm actually going to just kind of keep this off to the side and just multiply across. So I've got 4 times 2 times 8. So 8 times 8 is 64 ounces per day. And you can be formal about this and do more dimensional analysis, or you can say, well, I know that there's 7 days in a week, so 64 times 7, and I come up with my answer of 64 times 7, and I know that there's 448 ounces per week. So that would be the way I would solve this problem. Remember, use your reference sheet. It's very easy to get on the test and think, I don't remember how many cups are in a pint. I don't know how to do this, but the reference sheet is there for you. So if you don't remember, use that.